Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you today?
I am not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a cold and a headache.
I see. Do you have a prescription? From the doctor?
Yes, I have a prescription.
Okay. May I see it, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
No problem.
This medicine is for your cold.
Okay.
Take one pill in the morning. Take one pill at night.
Should I take it before food or after food?
Take it after food.
How many days should I take it?
Take it for 5 days.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel sleepy.
Okay. Can I drive a car?
Number: do not drive if you feel sleepy.
I understand.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need something for my headache.
I can give you this medicine.
How much is it?
It is $5.
Okay, I will take it.
Here is your medicine.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.